The U.S. Department of Justice sued Oklahoma on Tuesday over a state law that seeks to impose criminal penalties on those living in the state illegally. The lawsuit in the federal court in Oklahoma City challenges an Oklahoma law that makes it a state crime, punishable by up to 2 years in prison, to live in the state without legal migration status. Similar laws passed in Texas and Iowa are already facing challenges from the Justice Department. Oklahoma is among several GOP states jockeying to push deeper into immigration enforcement as both Republicans and Democrats seize on the issue. Yes, it's not only these 3 states. Apparently in America, it seems it's only these 3 states that are imposing these measures. But in Europe here, it's the same thing. Because as long as you are illegal in Europe, any country in Europe, is a crime. Yes, in some cases you will find out that when they find out how long you have been illegal in their country, you can incur money fine. Even in some cases, you can even serve prison sentence to be able to pay for those times you were illegal. So it depends. Each country in Europe here have their own way of doing things, but at the end of the day, it's equally crime here, and there's penalties for it. That is just the fact. So we'll see how long the U.S. Justice Department will go, whether the court will force Oklahoma, Texas, and Iowa to drop these bills or these legislations. But at the end of the day, this is the way it equally is in Europe here. Maybe if the U.S. Department succeeds in stopping them in making it a criminal case or putting penalties to it, maybe the countries in Europe here will equally follow suit. Who knows? But it's only time will tell. But it has always been like this for years now in Europe. It's not a new thing that in the time you are illegal in a country in Europe, you are being given fine based on how long you have been illegal in that country. In some cases, you will equally see that people have gone to prison to serve their sentence. Yes, countries differs. So each country depends. If you are not being given fine, how long you have to go to prison for you to offset the penalty of being in their country illegally.